Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is the the career industry, basically. The currencies, basically. And in currency, basically, it's dependency. And in this, basically, we are discussing one of the topic, that is ideas. And here, basically, ideas are equal to global warming. So, one of the person told, basically, global warming is inside or basically outside. Basically. So, lots of people basically have the doubt. That's why basically the city basically sorry the entire country was basically also shut down basically they have done shutdown basically because they basically might have doubts, lots of doubt basically might be there, but the doubt basically was not able to clear basically. Why? Because everything is created, na? That's why basically if the group basically might be doing some experiment, then also what they are going to do. What experiment they are going to do? They can't do any of the experiment, basically. Why? Because everything is created basically. That's why the problem is. If you are doing a single experiment, that is going to affect the whole world basically. And few people says that basically if we are not doing the experiment, then the universe group is going to suffer. That basically will end the entire world basically. That person also basically was correct. If we will not take the risk, basically the entire world basically was entire world basically will be in trouble basically. So few people says that we will keep few country basically in experiment only basically. Like if you want to do some medical related experiment, then we have created this country. If you want to do educational related experiment, then we have created this country. If you want to do some sports level experiment, sports basically, why? Because there are lots of hard work energy also basically which is required. For example, I will take one example. For example, the earth planet is moving towards straight position. There basically few extra stone basically came. According to the rule basically they basically uh, try to clear the extraction basically, but they were not able to. So they basically done the blast of extraction. So that blasting basically, which basically is done, that basically mostly basically it's a combination of hard working people basically, data are also taken basically, but mostly basically they don't do the blasting basically. But then also basically, because if that data basically comes near the earth planet, then basically it might, but mostly basically it doesn't happen basically, because clear basically data is basically there in front of the earth planet when the earth planet is moving, but you can't see that data basically because the earth planet is connected with set of satellites. Satellite are pushing the earth planet, and that's why basically the earth planet direction basically is setted by the satellite group only, that earth planet is going to reach after certain days at this location only. That's why we have created 5 crore people basically, that human cloning people basically. That's why we have created basically. So that basically question was basically. So he told that experiment you have to take, and you have to take the risk also. So one of the person told that basically, do you know one thing, Sunil? Then he told the yes, basically what do you want to say? The universe person told that. Do you know what this plane group basically are doing? They basically sometimes keeps the control of the peoples basically. For example, sometimes this is basically very secret basically, he told that the people basically who are sleeping, few data basically are activated by the plane group basically. Few data basically are activated by the plane group, and the government literally given the permission also to them. Government has given the permission to them also basically. Why that is story, that basically they also might be knowing, but government has given the permission basically. Same way the power company has got the permission of giving the sleeping energy to the people basically. The natural sleeping is the person is eating this that. From that basically one energy basically gets attract towards him, and he basically gets sleep, and that sleep basically will be his last sleep also basically. Up to that level basically the datas are basically. So he will be responsible for everything which is going to happen. So one person told that it's very difficult. That's why basically one person told that the vegetable creation, that is the CRM software equal to vegetable creation, they basically earns up to 90,000 80,000 crore rupees. Sholay movie energy basically creates 90,000 80,000 crore. Reason, that is data basically. There are 900 crore population in the world basically. So each data basically have to handle. So that's no easy task. It's not a easy task. So here is also basically one of the global warming error basically we found. That basically error comes inside. We can categorize basically data basically inside this. Education also will come. Then basically the foods also come. Mood also come. Then basically the categories also come. Sleeping data also comes. Ideas also come, and hard work also comes. So lots of people says that that is also one of the global warming basically. The people basically who are handling the people basically, that is also one of, that might be also one of the global warming reason basically. That is the name given as a projects basically. So you have to find the total number of projects basically in the world basically. For example, industry. This basically you will never find in the any of the books basically. You will never able to find this any of the books basically. One of the person told that basically one of the thing is basically industry basically. He told that. One of the person told that basically one of the thing is basically industry. Then he told that one of the thing is education basically. One of the thing is education basically. In education, food education, everything basically come. Each and every education. Here basically the industry education basically also you can include. Then basically the one of the person told that basically hard working people energy basically. Then one of the person told that mood basically. So these all are basically the projects basically. This all basically you can give as a name as a project basically. And project basically converts into the system basically. Projects basically converts into the system. For example, one person told that basically we are basically riding the car, and that car basically is having this model. That car basically is one system basically created by this company. Created by this company basically. So he told that basically okay. So he told that basically which type of system basically. Then he told that basically the environment handling this system. For example, the cold season basically is ongoing, winter season basically is ongoing. So he told now little bit data basically of the winter season basically is given to the car people also basically. So they also basically sets the winter season basically. That data basically is given by the government basically. That data is basically given by the government basically. That data basically is given by the government, and that basically is created by the private limited companies, but it's not approved by the, mostly it might be approved by the government companies also basically. So there also basically you will find some global warming error basically. So one person told that basically you have to, there is only one word basically, that is projects basically contains the global warming error basically. This was the only basically thing basically, projects in the world basically which is ongoing. In next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.